Welcome to my video. Today, I'll show you how to recover WhatsApp View Once photos and view them again even after they disappear. First, open WhatsApp on your device. This method works for both Android and iPhone users. Now, open the chat where you received the View Once photo. Tap on the photo to open it. Remember, WhatsApp allows you to view it only once. Once you close it, WhatsApp won't let you open it again. But don't worry, here's a trick to see it again. Go back to your WhatsApp home screen, then go to Settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Storage and Data, then select Manage Storage. Here, you'll see a list of chats. Find the contact who sent you the View Once photo and tap on their name. Now, you'll see all the media files received from that contact. If the View Once photo was automatically saved in your storage, it will appear here. This trick works because WhatsApp sometimes stores media in the device's temporary storage before completely deleting it. And that's it. Now you can recover and view WhatsApp View Once photos as many times as you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing tips. See you in the next one.